Cook Up Profits: How Cooking Enthusiasts Can Make Money in Real Estate. Introduction. Are you a passionate cook with an entrepreneurial spirit? If you're looking for innovative ways to turn your culinary passion into a profitable venture, consider exploring the world of real estate. While it may seem like an unusual combination, the synergy between real estate and cooking can create exciting opportunities for cooking enthusiasts to make money. In this article, we'll explore some creative ways you can combine your love for cooking with real estate investments. Airbnb and vacation rentals. If you own or are considering purchasing a property in a popular tourist destination, consider turning it into a vacation rental. As a cooking enthusiast, you can take advantage of your culinary skills by offering unique experiences to your guests. Create a food-focused vacation rental by providing cooking classes, private dinners, or curated culinary experiences. Guests will appreciate the opportunity to learn from a passionate chef while enjoying a memorable vacation. Culinary retreats. Transform your property into a culinary retreat destination. If you have a spacious and well-equipped kitchen, organize weekend or week-long culinary retreats for fellow cooking enthusiasts. Teach cooking classes, host wine tastings, and offer farm-to-table dining experiences. This not only generates income but also allows you to share your passion with like-minded individuals. Food-related retail spaces. Consider investing in commercial real estate in food-centric areas. You can lease or purchase a space in a food market, popular neighborhood, or tourist district. With your expertise, you can open a gourmet grocery store, bakery, cafe, or specialty food shop. Not only will this provide a steady income, but it also allows you to immerse yourself in the culinary world. Catering and event hosting. If you own a property with a spacious garden or outdoor space, you can use it for catering and hosting events. Offer catering services for weddings, birthdays, and other special occasions. You can also host cooking classes, food festivals, and pop-up dinners on your property. These activities not only generate income but also enhance your reputation as a culinary expert. Culinary real estate investment. Invest in properties that are ideal for culinary businesses. Look for commercial spaces suitable for restaurants, food trucks, or food production facilities. Partner with chefs or entrepreneurs to lease or sell these properties to them. Your knowledge of the culinary industry can help you identify lucrative opportunities and make informed investment decisions. Cooking content creation. Consider using your property as a backdrop for cooking content creation. Start a YouTube channel, a food blog, or a cooking show and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Your real estate property can become a valuable asset as it provides a unique and appealing setting for your content. Conclusion. Combining your passion for cooking with real estate is a recipe for success. Whether you choose to offer culinary experiences through vacation rentals, host cooking retreats, open a food-related business, or invest in culinary real estate, there are numerous ways for cooking enthusiasts to turn their love for food into a profitable venture. With creativity, dedication, and a dash of entrepreneurship, you can savor the sweet taste of success in both the culinary and real estate worlds. So, start cooking up profits today.